The dough is smooth. Your turn. Fold the chocolate chips into the batter. How many cookies can we make with this? We have enough dough for 12-ish cookies. Want to scoop our cookie batter onto the tray? Yeah. Let's see. We have 4 rows of 3 cookies. Nice. Let them bake for 10 minutes. Hold on. Let them cool down a bit.